use of gadgets and technology is enhancing the quality of life. To commence the event, we call upon stage Ms. Nigna Singh from 07 batch to speak for the motion.
Good afternoon, respected judges, esteemed chief guests. Life without gadgets is like living without oxygen. Can you live without oxygen? I don't think so. In order to acknowledge you with the gadgets and technology enhancing our day-to-day life, this is Nigna Singh of 07 MBBS batch. Technology is a mankind's creation from the Stone Age until beginning with the internet and the cellular phones. This is due to the technology, we people are more and more accurate what we are doing, and this is due to the technology we are communicating with our friends, relatives more fastly as compared to the older people who used to send the people who will convey the message to the other person. This is due to the technology that due to the internet we are able to download the books, even that is we are able to download the papers of the USMLE, and even we are nowadays the exams are also held online, USMLE, MAHE exams on all those. I do think that nowadays the IS exams, RS exams and even boards will be organized online. So be prepared for the online examination. This is now starting from the technology affects and effects our day-to-day life. We begin early in the morning with our alarm clock. We take a warm water bath with the help of the hot water tanks. We prepare the breakfast with the help of the electric kettles. We prepare the breakfast with the help of the electric kettle. So we watch the current affairs early in the morning with the help of television. We check our emails with the help of the personal computers. Then we go to our offices, the school, colleges with the help of the vehicle. These all are technology, a fixture of technology I should say, which is affecting our day-to-day life. Even in our kitchens, we have the microwave ovens which help in processing our food within milliseconds as preserving our time. As we all know, time and tide wait for none. Every person in this whole universe is provided with 24 hours. What matter, you have to utilize your 24 hours in order to become the successful person of the future. This is the time which one person has to utilize. Microwave, they help in preserving the nutrition of the food. They also help, which are now decreasing day by day, and which in turn we are providing a step into the global environment, which in turn we are providing the healthy, wealthy environment to our upcoming generation up to the 3,000 years. This is due to the technology. If suppose internet is hampered for one day, we are not able to live without the internet. This is due to the internet we are living out here. If suppose internet, we can imagine life without internet, but we cannot realize life without internet. So they play an important life in our day-to-day life. Nowadays nanotechnologies has been also introduced in our life, because this in turn helping increasing the speed. We can move faster like the cheetah, even more faster with the help of the nanotechnology. The technology also plays a strong impact in the medicine, like the hearing aids. They help in the listening the deaf person, and even that is with the help of the endoscopic surgeries. There are no scars can be removed. That is the no complication. No complication. I hope you all, I am able to convince you all that the gadgets and technologies are enhancing our day-to-day life, and I strongly believe in the notion that they are playing an important role in our day-to-day life. Thank you, judges.